Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix WordPress blank screen issue. This issue occurs due to two reasons. The first reason is if your theme file is corrupted, or if it has any issues, then this issue occurs. And the second reason is if any of your plugins are corrupted, or if they are placing the issues, then it shows a blank page. To fix this issue, at first open your hosting and then go to file manager in your hosting, and in the file manager open wp content folder of your website, and then right click on the themes folder and then rename it as themes1 or something else, and go back to your site and reload the site. If you can see the same issue, then we can assume that the problem is not with the themes. Now again go back to your site, go back to your file manager, and then simply rename the plugins folder as plugins-1 or something else, and then click on rename. Now go back to your site and reload your site. You can see the site starts loading normally. So as we have changed the plugin folder name, all the plugins here were deactivated. We uninstall any recently installed plugin and then activate remaining all plugins. Go back to your site and just reload it. You can see the site starts loading normally. Thank you for watching the video, guys.